George's Moving Art Machines. Hi! Welcome to my workshop, where we can make kinetic art. Kinetic art changes as it moves, with lots of fun shapes, colors, and sounds. Come on in! To learn what all these buttons do, help me finish this piece of art. Let's connect the rectangle. See this connector with the little X in it? Move the rectangle so that the connector is right over a pin, like the one on the end of the blue bar. You connected the pieces! To make this art move, tap the play button. Whoa! That's great! Tap the pause button to go back to the workshop. Now let's change the starting position of the rectangle. Keep tapping this button until the rectangle is higher up. You did it! Tap this button to get a sneak peek at how a piece will spin. I want to change how fast this rectangle is moving. Tap this button 2 times to make it spin really fast. Whew, that's fast! Now I want to change the direction. Tap this button to make the rectangle spin the other way. You got it! Now just one last thing. I want to make my art extra fancy. Tap the mirror button a few times to reflect the art in different ways. Tap the play button again to see what my art looks like now. That's it! Now you're all ready to create some amazing moving art machines of your own. Choose shapes, lights, characters, or sounds. Shapes. Tap this special button to change the pattern on the pieces. So cool! Lights. Tap this special button to change the color of the lights. Nice! Hey, tap this button to switch off the lights and make your art glow. Tap this button to change how the lights flash. Characters. Tap this special button to change the color of the pieces. Whoa, that's so weird. Sounds. Tap this special button to make the sounds higher or lower. Tap this button to change when the sound plays. Hey! 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 Aha! Aha!